Today in this video I'm going to be servicing this E39 diamond shaped remote key, and I'm going to be changing the battery. The remote doesn't seem to be getting a good charge while it's being driven, so I'm going to go ahead and replace the battery in the remote. First step you need to do is to carefully open up the case, the knife, and slide it all around here. The easiest thing to do is to start over on this end here and open it up, and then pry the rest of it open. Inside you can see the battery. It's not your typical coin type battery. It has these special connectors, and when you order this, you have to make sure you order the right one. Pulling it out, these are the two terminals here. You can see it here where it connects. Let's measure the voltage there. It's supposed to be 3 volts. And I have my meter here set up. And this is after putting it in the ignition and leaving it in the accessory mode and trying to charge it for at least 30 minutes. You can do that also by driving it for 30 minutes. But you have to be careful, because if you just park your car and leave it in accessory mode with the key inside, turn to position 1, you could wear down your battery. So you're going to have to keep a close eye on that if you're trying to recharge the remote using the car, which is actually the only way you can do that. To replace the battery, you're going to need to solder out the battery terminals, and this one here goes through right there, then the one on the bottom appears right here. So you'll need to solder them out and then solder in the new battery in the same position. I ordered the new batteries, and they come in this nice little case here. And that's what it looks like. And you'll need to solder in those terminals and then reseal the case. I would suggest not replacing the battery on the remote because it is sealed. It's not easy to open it up. Sometimes the key will become completely discharged if you just keep the key as a backup and you don't use it regularly. To recharge the key, you need to drive the car at least 30 minutes for it to reach the required voltage. If it lost its programming completely, you can reprogram it by putting it in accessory position 1 for a second, then backing it off and holding down the unlock key and then pressing this 3 times, and it will cycle through if it took the programming. Now, if that doesn't work after you've driven the car for 30 minutes, the battery may be completely dead and it will not be taking a charge. The other way you can recharge the battery is by leaving it in position 1, the key inside the ignition key in position 1, and try recharging it that way, then going through the reprogram procedures a second time. And if that doesn't work, well then your key could possibly be dead. Please note that if you're reprogramming a remote, you'll need to synchronize both of them. So the way you do that is you put the key in the ignition in position 1 for a second, then back it off, and then press the unlock button and this button 3 times in the middle, then release, and it will cycle through, and now this key will be reprogrammed. Immediately take the second key and press the lock button and do the same thing. Hold the unlock and then press this 3 times, and then both keys will be synchronized and will accept the program just based on putting the first key in position 1 for a second, programming it, and then immediately, without putting the second key in the ignition, do the same thing. Hold the unlock button and press this 3 times and then let go. And both keys should be programmed. Hope you enjoyed this video, and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.